So one of the things you may want to do while making form is make it fancy. So for that, you can go ahead and add in animated headings. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on Add Element and then go to Widgets. And over here, let me just go ahead and type in animated, and the animated heading pops up. Go ahead and click, and then what happens is that you can go ahead and add in a text that you want to animate. By default, you can see it says hello, so let's just go ahead and change to YouTube right here. And there you go, you got the flash animation. Apart from that, you get the shake animation right here, and there's the fade up animation right here, and so forth. So there's different sort of animation, as you can see, that you can go ahead and choose to make it dynamic right here. You do get the general properties right here as needed as well. But if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now right here, then what happens is that this animates in place right here, which gives a dynamic feel to the form and makes it a bit fancy. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize out the animated headings inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.